Hello class, this is a video tutorial about how to upload a video on YouTube. And the first step that you have to do is go to the YouTube address here. You write YouTube and go to this address. And here you have to know that it is necessary to log in with a Gmail account. So if you see here, I have my account. Okay. Okay. If you don't have one account, you must create an account. Okay. Now the second step is go to this part that is create. You click on this icon. That means that you are going to upload a video. Click here and then you are going to select the file. You go to select file and here I have my document and here is my video. So I select the video and this window will appear. Here you put your name, student name. So my name is Celia Garcia. At the bottom you could find this and you click here. No, it is not made for kids. Then you go to next, again, next, and finally next again. And here you are going to find these options and here you are going to select unlisted because anyone with the video link can watch the video. It means that you are going to share with me the video, but only my person will able to see the link or the video. And the final step is save and hope for upload the video. And here, and that's it. Here you have the link. This link you are going to copy and paste on the classroom. Okay? And that's it for now. I hope you are going to learn a lot in this video tutorial. So, see you in the class. Bye bye.